They call it the Nadal method. It's a specific kind of mental grit that breaks most athletes. But for one 20-year-old from the Philippines, it didn't just work. It changed the math of professional tennis forever. Meet Alex Eala. At just 20, she's already done what no Filipino in history has ever touched. World number 29. But this isn't just about a ranking or a left-handed forehand that's currently terrorizing the WTA Tour. This is about the Eala Effect. It's the psychological shift of an entire nation moving from the basketball courts to the tennis courts. And the scary part? She's just getting started. Today, we're breaking down the psychology, the stats, and the sheer audacity of the girl who's rewriting the rules of the game. Let's get into it. Every superhero has an origin story. For Alex, it started at age 4, learning the game from her late grandfather, Lolo Bob, who taught her the bravery she uses on the court today. But to be the best, you have to sacrifice. At just 13 years old, she packed her bags and moved across the world to Mallorca, Spain, to train at the prestigious Rafa Nadal Academy. Think about the loneliness of being a 13-year-old kid, thousands of miles away from home. To survive, Alex had to build mental armor. She became a master of compartmentalization. And that bulletproof mindset, it led to one of the wildest underdog runs in recent tennis history. At the 2025 Miami Open, ranked way outside of the top 100, Alex didn't just show up, she took over. She faced off against 5-time Grand Slam champion and world number 2, Iga Swiatek. Instead of crumbling, Alex fired 10 clean winners in the opening set and shocked the world with a 6-2, 7-5 straight set victory. She made history again at the US Open, becoming the first Filipino to ever win a Grand Slam singles main draw match by defeating Denmark's Clara Tauson. By 2026, she had racked up over 200 professional wins and over $1.7 million in career prize money. She wasn't just a junior prodigy anymore. She was an elite threat. The struggles and the lows. But the journey to the top of sports is never a straight line. The transition from junior to pro is brutal on the body. The heavier balls and grueling schedules take their toll. In August 2025, a severe shoulder injury forced her to pull out of the Cincinnati Open, reminding everyone of the intense physical limits these athletes push against. Mentally, there have been massive hurdles too. Alex has openly battled what fans call the Czech curse. She has struggled to crack the code of players from the Czech Republic, suffering 13 agonizing losses to Czech opponents, including a tough 6-0, 6-2 defeat to Karolina Muchova at the 2026 Miami Open. That loss dropped her live ranking down to number 45, a harsh reminder of how unforgiving the tennis point system really is. But as Alex says, growth doesn't always come easy. She embraced the setbacks because she knows they are a part of the blueprint. What makes Alex Eala so special isn't just her lethal two-handed backhand. It's the ripple effect she is creating across the globe. She is single-handedly pulling global sports infrastructure into Southeast Asia. Because of her massive success, the Philippines hosted its first ever WTA tournament in January 2026. The Philippine Women's Open, a $115,000 event that gave local players a chance to experience the world stage. She is a rock star to her fans, a hero to her nation, and an inspiration to the next generation. Even the legendary Rafael Nadal couldn't help but take notice, publicly telling her, "We are extremely proud of you, Alex. Let's keep dreaming." At just 20 years old, Eala has already experienced the lowest of lows and the absolute highest of highs. And the crazy part? Her story is just getting started. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments how far do you think Eala will go.